Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold dollar, gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and my dear friends, as you can see that still there is not much volatility on the market right now. So things have not changed. If you have already watched my previous videos and you have marked those levels, then yes, those levels are still intact and there is not much change on the market. As you can see that right now market is standing at 1720, and if we look at the past 6-7 candles, then we can see that market is still trading on the same narrow range. So 1700 level is still present as the first good psychological support for the market, and then 1680. So if market comes to this 1700 level, and yes, we can expect a bounce because there is not much volatility in the market. So if you find market bouncing from 1700 level, we can go for a buy. In case market breaks 1700 level by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, a selling may come and we can take a sell position below 1698. Okay, otherwise market will be holding the level, and the next big support for the market will be 1680, 1680. So 1700 and 1680 are these two most important support for gold USD as of now, and the resistances are still the same that I have discussed previously. 1723 to 24 will be the first resistance. If there is not much volatility in the market, keep in mind before taking a short position, this is not a very reliable level. If the market do not show huge volatility, then you can expect the market to reverse from here, and the level that can be good for taking a sell position is 1740 to 45. I will not be explaining the reasons here because I have already explained several times. So I'll be pasting down the link below of my previous video, yesterday's video. If you're looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded yesterday. As I said, things have not changed. Okay, so 1740-45 is the next big resistance, and 1723 to 24 is the minor resistance for the market. But my dear friends, be a trader, not a gambler. So do not trade blindly once you see the market hitting that particular level, because confirmation is extremely important for us. Okay, and one thing I would like to add here, that is, if I take you to the 15 minutes chart, okay, if you are very eager for a trade right now, okay, if I take you to the 15 minutes chart, then you can see that on the 15 minutes chart we have some kind of support around 1709 level. We have some support around 1709 level on the higher time frame, but I think that this is not a very reliable level. So if you're a beginner, new trader, then avoid trading on the 15 minutes time frame and try to focus on the levels that I have discussed yesterday and today on the first half of the video. So, and if you're a new trader, if you have been dealing with gold for a long time, considerable amount of time, in that case you can consider taking a buy position if market bounces, or if you see a good reversal from 1709. Beginners, new traders, and those who have limited capital, avoid. Okay, and on the other hand, around 1718 level, you can expect the market to reverse because there is not much volatility in the market. So be careful while dealing with a 15 minutes time frame, because the lower time frame levels are not much strong. So do not trade without confirmation. And if I take you to the economic calendar here, then you can also see that today we do not have any big event that will bring volatility to the market. So hopefully the market will remain low volatile. And if you remember correctly, then we have been expecting this, because in one of my videos from last week I mentioned that once market takes support around 1680 level, 1700 level, okay, we were already hoping that market would go sideways for a couple of days, and we are seeing the sideways movement right now. But so whatever you do, follow proper risk management. I may be wrong also. Please do not gamble with your hard-earned money, and please protect your capital. Bye bye, take care.